Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to convert the SFMono font to a nerd font with ligatures. First, you must ensure that Docker is installed on your system before patching the font. You can easily install Docker by following the official instructions for your operating system. Next, you can install the SFMono font by downloading it from the official source and following the installation instructions. SFMono is the mono-spaced variant of the San Francisco font and is commonly used for coding and terminal applications. Choose or create a directory on your local system where you want to store the input files for the font patching process. For example, you can create a folder named Input in your home directory. After that, open the font library and search for SFMono to find the install location. Copy all the files to the newly created input folder. Open the Nerdfonts repository. Navigate to the Font Patcher section, scroll down until you find the Docker method and use the preferred command. I recommend using the parallel task 1 to speed up the process. Open your terminal and navigate to the Fonts folder. Paste the Docker command. Make sure you update your input and output folders in the volumes. Use tase-pwd to tell Docker to use the current working directory. Add the option Complete to make sure all the glyphs will be added to the font. Wait until the script patches all the font variants. After the script finishes the patching process, you'll find a new folder called Output. In there, you'll find the SFMono Nerd font. At this point, you can use the font as the other nerd fonts. Move the outcome fonts to Home folder just Library just Fonts. To add ligatures, we'll need to use Ligaturizer. This tool doesn't have a Docker method in its README. However, I created a Docker image that contains all the needed dependencies to patch a font with the ligatures using the Ligaturizer script. Now, we will rename the Output folder to Input to use the nerd font as the input source for the ligature script. Then, we'll open our terminal and navigate to the font folder again. Here, we'll run the next command. This command will run the image with the Ligaturizer scripts and dependencies. Once in the container, navigate to the Ligaturizer folder and execute the make command. Wait until the script patches all the fonts. Now, a new output folder appears, containing all the ligaturized SFMono Nerd fonts. Just follow the previous step to install the font and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next video.